Hi everyone, I'm glad you've come to Cook with Victoria. When I was filming my burger video, the chicken burger, I made burger sauce, but I decided to separate the burger sauce video because it will be a very long one which I didn't want to bore you with. So in this video I'll be sharing with you how to make your own homemade burger sauce. And when I say homemade burger sauce, I seriously mean homemade burger sauce. You just come along with me and let's do this together. For our burger sauce today, we have ketchup, sugar, gherkins. I've already cut them into small pieces, garlic powder, mayonnaise, hot chili sauce, salt, onions, and white vinegar, or you can use lime. The onions are diced. So what we'll be doing now is just bring this plain bowl, cut. In goes our tomato ketchup, onion. It doesn't have any particular order, just continue to pour them in. Hot chili sauce, mayonnaise. The measurement of everything I'm using is in the description box. Check them out. Garlic, salt, sugar, and our white vinegar. Now take your whisk and whisk. I finished mixing together and look at it, so beautiful. Delicious. When it comes to cooking, it's always good for you to explore, and as you explore you discover a lot, and as you discover you will enjoy it. Today we have made burger sauce, and in the other video I made the chicken burger. I put it on. Oh man, it was so good. Please try this burger sauce at home, and all the burger sauce you'll be buying from the stores, you are going to throw them away. Don't say I shouldn't. So that is the truth. So sweet, so nice, so tasty. If you love what you have seen so far in this video, why don't you give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, leave your comment in the comment section, subscribe if you have not yet subscribed, and don't forget to click on the notification bell as this will allow you to be notified each time I upload a new video. Till next time, bye.